Hey, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2020 210 Montauk from Boston Whaler. Starting off with the profile of the boat, you can see we have this model equipped with the full light blue gel coat, entire hull, white rub rail with a stainless steel insert, high bow rail, and high stern rail. We've also got the teak package, which includes teak at the midship, and then around here at the swim platforms. We've also got teak on the inside. Now we'll transition to the inside of the boat. So here in the cockpit of the 21 Montauk, first we have this boat equipped with a 200 horsepower V6 from Mercury, 3.4 liter naturally aspirated motor. Check and change your oil and remove the entire cowling using this really nifty lever right here. New product from Mercury. We've also got rear quarter seats that have built-in backrests. So when you want the extra seating for additional passengers back here, bring the backrests up and then they stow down really nicely with non-skid. So this serves as a fishing area as well. We've got cup holders, rod holders. We do have a telescoping ladder on the port side swim platform. Again, you can see the teak package there. We've got two speakers here in the aft, JL audio speakers. Here on the back side of the leaning post, we do have a very large live well that's lit. More cup holders, rod holders along the back, in addition to the rocket launchers that are built into the hardtop. Coming forward, this is the deluxe upgraded leaning post option. You can see we have two flip-up bolsters for both your passenger and the driver. Additional teak here at the footrest. That 200 horse Mercury is digital throttle and shift. We've got a 9-inch Ray Marine flat screen unit. We have a USB and auxiliary port along with a 12-volt port for charging your devices. Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Got a nice glove box here. Two cup holders. LED indicators for the boat's trim tabs. Really well-appointed brow. And we have a half windshield. Going up on the underside of the hardtop, this boat is actually equipped with a gel coat color that matches the whole side of the boat beneath the hardtop, in addition to an overhead light and a storage bag for soft goods and life jackets. Coming around to the starboard side, you can see we've got a ton of room for storage. We currently have the backrest, some of the bow cushions, the owner's manual, all stored in here. But this is also where your pump out porta potty is. And then here on the bow, you've got a nice large bow cushion with built-in cup holders. These rod holders also hold the backrest that you saw inside the head. And then when I bring these cushions up, you have two lockers forward. One can serve as a fish box or just general storage. And then another locker beneath this seat is your anchor locker. Full bow rail, so you got plenty of security for kids, dogs. We've got a forward cooler seat that's removable, really large seat, nice comfortable padded backrest, a really comfortable area to sit. More JL speakers here in addition to more cup holders. Just behind Dotson here on the starboard side, there's actually a new feature from Fusion. We've got a stereo remote, so your passengers up in the bow can actually change the settings on the stereo. That should do it for this 21 Montauk from Boston Whaler. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. Come by and see us at our store off Daniel Island and give us a call, 843-747-1889. And thanks for watching.